right? Today we're going to talk about tuple. We have seen list. So what is
Yeah.
list? What does list do?
Ordered collection.
It's an ordered collection, right? Okay, so tuple is also ordered collection. Okay, tuple is also ordered collection exactly like list. So what is the difference? Difference is list was mutable.
Yeah.
String is immutable. You can't edit.
String की तरह.
Hmm. You can override, you can change the value, but you can't edit the value. You can give a new value to it, but you can't edit the existing value. List is mutable. You can change the member, right? We saw delete, right? Pop.
Mm.
You can always do that.
Mm.
Tuple is immutable version of list. That's the only difference. Okay.
Okay.
So you can't
Yeah.
insert, you can't remove, you can't delete. All those options are not there in a tuple. So tuple is, in a way, tuple doesn't have many features because you can't edit, right? But let's see how tuples are declared first. How do we
Okay.
declare tuple? Okay, so how do we declare list?
Like
Using
we give
square
like
bracket,
like yeah
right?
square bracket
Right.
indexing की
So
तरह.
yes, so we don't use square bracket. We use what is called as simple bracket. Okay,
Okay.
so simple bracket like this is used to declare a tuple. So when I declare, let's say, a tuple, okay, so I can declare an empty tuple, right? So if you say
Yeah.
print type of t1, and when you run it, you get class tuple, right? Because it is of type tuple. Okay, now you can assign a value here, 1 comma 2 comma 3, right? One thing I have to keep
Yeah.
in mind is, if you're assigning a single value, let's say I want to keep one single value here, 1. Okay, then it is treated as a function bracket. Okay, so if
Mm.
you have to pass empty tuple, it's fine. You just declare simple bracket. If you have
Mm.
2 3 values also, it's fine, 1 comma 2, you can do that. But when you have only one value, okay, we have to give a comma here to make it look like a tuple. Otherwise this becomes like a function, and see, it is like you're passing a value to a function's integer value, so it is giving us integer here. But now when you
Okay.
run it, so this exception is only if the tuple has one value. Okay, if tuple has one value, that's when we do it. Okay, otherwise there is no need to put that extra comma here. Okay, that you have to keep in mind. Okay, apart from that, what we know is this is called tuple. This is a mutable version of immutable version of list. Okay, so if I say, okay, let me add few values, 2 comma 3 comma 4, and now when I try to say t1 dot, you don't see all those functions. We only see two functions, index and count. Okay, if I say print t1 dot count and count 3 or 2, right? This gave me 1 because it has only 1 2. So if I give 3 comma 4 comma 2, now you will see 2 times 2 is appearing, right?
Yeah.
If I say 2 again, you will see 3 times 2 is appearing. Okay, so this is count 2. Okay, now you have index. Okay, so print t1 dot count, sorry, not in right, index of say 3. Okay, let's say we give 2 here. Okay, index will give us the position of where value is. In this case we have multiple 2's, so it will take the first appearance. First appearance index is 0, sorry, 1, right? For 1 it is 0, for 2 it is 1, so you get 1, right?
Yeah.
If I give index of 1, it will give me
2.
0. Index of 1 is 0. First number is 1, isn't it? The index of
Okay.
first number is 0. These are the two functions that we use. Okay. Apart from that, we don't use any other functions, but it has its own properties or uses, we can say. Usage is that generally when we declare a value as tuple, it is faster to perform or faster to access the values. Okay, since it cannot be edited, accessing these values becomes very fast. Doing the for loop, right? So if I can say for I in T1 print T1, I. Okay, so if I say for I in T1 print I,
Yeah.
and when you run it, you see it will we will be able to access these elements. So just like list, you can do that. Everything like list except adding the values to it. You can't edit, you can't insert, you can't extend, those kind of things. Okay. Okay. But there is one feature which is very helpful. That is that you can convert list to tuple and tuple to list without any problem.
So without any
Problem.
okay.
Okay. So if I want to convert T1, let's say I want to add a member here. Since it's a tuple, I can't add. So what I'll do is I will convert this into T1 equal to list of T1. See, T1 is tuple, but when I say list of, it converts it into list. Right? Remember again, str of, int of we did, right? When we're doing integer. Similarly, when I say list of T1, now T1 becomes a list. And when I say T1 dot, you will see all these functions: copy, extend, clear, reverse, pop, append, right? Remove. These were not there when we had it in a tuple format. So you can go ahead and add. Let's say I say, okay, let's say insert. Okay, insert 45 at location 1. And now let's print T1. So see, okay. So see, we said 45 comma 1, right? So it added at the end. One is added at the end. Okay. So insert 1 comma 45. So it will now insert 45 at the first position. So 0 and 1. Okay. So you can do that. Once you are done, then again go back and convert this into tuple. So you can convert a tuple to list to tuple. You say tuple. Now T1 becomes tuple and T1 dot. Okay. See, you can't see all those functions. Tuple, my last concept is called packing unpacking. Okay. Packing matlab, you are putting multiple values into one, which we have been doing. Okay. In a way, this is an example of packing. You have multiple values added in one variable called T1. Okay.
Yeah.
Now, if you want to separate it, okay, कोई function है which is returning a tuple value. So you can say A, comma B, comma C, comma D, let's say 4 variable, and you say 2, 4, 6, 8. अभी क्या होगा कि when you print A, so this is called unpacking. Unpacking means one single tuple has 4 values. These 4 values will be unpacked into these 4 variables.
Okay.
Okay. So print A में क्या हो जाएगा? You get 2. Okay. And if I say print D, you will get 8. So this is called unpacking. So the values got unpacked into 4 variables. Okay.
Yeah.